Here we are. Oh, that one's really fast. Yeah, I don't think they were supposed to stop going at all that whole time. See, look it. They don't wipe out when they're changed, when they're in training mode. They didn't even come in the box too fast. Oh my god, where is the habitat? There it is. Oh, dang. It doesn't spin that good anymore. Kind of broken. Oh my god. Can it just stop already? Oh, look at it. Oh my god, it's got back on. They're not even knocking out on battle mode. Maybe they're not supposed to. That's just how dead they were.